Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to edit Docusign after signing. Alright, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to the Docusign website. Sign in using your account credentials to access your dashboard. Once you are inside, look for the Agreements section, usually found in the side menu or at the top of the page. This is where all your documents are stored. Next, look for the document you already signed, but that is still waiting for signatures from other recipients. This part is important because you can only edit a document if the signing process is not fully completed. Once you locate the document, click to open it. Inside the document view, look for the correct option. Select it to enter the editing mode. The interface will look similar to when you first prepared the document. Make the necessary changes, ensuring every detail is accurate and updated. After finishing your edits, save the changes and review the document one more time. Once everything looks correct, confirm the correction so the document can continue through the remaining signing steps. So that's basically how you can edit Docusign after signing. That's it for this video. Thanks.